Good morning. Well, we're not at Waterway Park. We're not at the boat docks. We're not even at the Ohio River. We're back out here at Versailles State Park. Yeah. We decided to come down here and fish this morning instead. Let me get pulled up, baited up, and there's a white crane out there. A white crane! Two either white herons or two white cranes this morning. We've never seen white herons or white cranes. Never seen these birds here before. This is something new. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh, they're fighting. Look at that, they're fighting. I see the white cranes don't get along with the heron over there. So right there's the white cranes. Right there's the heron, somewhere through there. Alright, let me get to fishing. We decided to come here instead this morning. We're probably going to go to Waterway tonight. We're going to stay here as long as we can until the heat comes. And the reason my videos are the way they are for the next couple days, because the heat is dangerous. In my state, in my area, the heat is really bad. So, guys, I'm going to do some more waking up and get to doing some serious fishing. May have to wipe off the GoPro in case I get a bite, because I guarantee it's foggy. This keeps fogging up. So, I'll get back with y'all. Don't know if this is picking us up, but look at the steam come off the water. That is so beautiful. Right now, temperatures are not bad. It's humid. They're not bad, though. They're good if they can stay this way. We're probably going to try to fish it out as long as we can. Go home when it starts getting really hot. Do things at home. And head out this evening. I don't know if this will be all in one video. I don't know. I'm planning it as I go. Remember, my vacation changed with the heat. The heat we are going to be having again today, and next couple days is dangerous heat. Especially dangerous for me. I don't do well in extreme heats. When it gets up to 100 and some degrees, nah. I don't do well at all. Just saying. I do believe the white birds out there are herons as well, because cranes have more of an S shape in their necks. I actually had to look that up. But guys, last time we was here in this spot, we moved that picnic table right there. We moved it all the way from way down yonder. It was hot and humid that evening, and it kicked our butt. We only fished here 30 minutes. We caught that carp and left. And now we're right at the same spot we was the other day. Because dang it, that was the shortest fishing trip I've ever done. But even Angie was tuckered. I mean, it did something to us. I don't know what happened, but we sat down here to fish, and it was just too dang hot. As a matter of fact, I didn't cool off until about an hour or two later at the campsite. Alright, ain't got no bites yet, which don't mean squat. Just means I ain't got no bites.
Yeah, because it could be a juvenile.
Okay, the white heron could be a juvenile, because juvenile blue herons are white. So it could be a juvenile heron. Yeah.
That could be why they were fighting.
That could be why they were fighting, yeah. I hope I got that on here.
Siblings fight.
Yeah. You guys are asking yourself, what the heck are we going on about these herons? Well, this is one of the reasons we like fishing here and anywhere. We like to look at the wildlife. Why wouldn't you? And one of our favorite things here is the herons. Herons. Oh, it ain't a heron. Oh my God, I know what I'm saying there. Sorry about that, guys. I'm still waking up, dang it. Back a couple weeks ago, we was fishing down here, and Angie heard a big, huge crash up there in the wooded area. Right up in there. Well, just a few minutes ago, we heard another crash, and it's trees falling. That's a spooky sound if you're ever hiking, let me tell you. That's a very spooky sound. Yeah, what the heck? There's a dead tree right there. I can't tell. There's a dead tree if I got my finger pointed right there. Oh, I can't wait till this fall. Come fall, we're going to be doing a lot of hiking. And I do mean a lot of hiking. Oh yeah. We got a lot of hiking to catch up on. We got so many places marked just to hike. And it's not going to be fall. It's going to be, well, not in this heat, obviously. But I can't wait. Just can't wait. Okay, it stopped. But over in that direction somewhere, we hear bells. Doesn't sound like a church bell. Almost sounds like an organ or something with a little bell chime to it. It's kind of cool. Well, we ain't doing a dang bit of good. I had like maybe a tibble, not even a nibble, a tibble, and that's it. The fog is still coming off the water, and it looks like the baby juvenile herons left. There's not even any geese on the lake right now. So we're going to still kick it out until it gets a little hot. Go home, have lunch, watch the originals. And if you guys ever watched the originals, the vampires, the werewolves, and if you have, what do you think? We're about, I think 7 episodes in season 3. I'm liking it, but then again, it is nothing but a dang soap opera, isn't it? I think there's a total of 5 seasons in all. But I'm still liking it. Okay, we're not doing any good right now. I've had some pretty good bites, that's about it. So we're going to call it for now. We're going to head over to the dam. Might get some dam footage. I like that dam footage. And, yeah. We'll probably either end the video there or keep it going, because I'm thinking about taking a trip out to a town near us called Rising Sun and look at the river again. Last year, roughly about this time, it was closer to September, towards the end of October or August. We fished at the Ohio River there, right? And we didn't really give it a long enough shot because it started pouring down rain on us. So we may fish the Ohio River tonight. Wouldn't that be kind of cool and different? All right, let me wrap up. We'll see you guys at the dam. Okay, I was going to get the dam on here, but decided not to. A lot of people down here, and hey, they're fishing, believe it or not. They're trying to beat the heat like we did. So guys, we will see you probably in Rising Sun. We'll see you in a couple hours. Many hours later, we fished this morning. I think the last vlog entry was we was leaving. Well, I stopped down a store called Orchland's and I bought me something. I now have me a fancy fishing pole holder. And the cool thing about this is, at least I think, it can work on concrete. It don't need to be pushed into the ground. But I guess the front forks of it can be put in the ground. But this should work pretty much anywhere, I guess. Well, we're going to figure that out tonight, because where we may be fishing, maybe just that. We may be going to Waterway, but right now we're going to Rising Sun. We're going to look at the river, and we will figure out what we're doing when we get there, and I'm going to be switching over to the GoPro 9. We'll do some over there. We'll do some out there, and guys, let's just see you in Rising Sun. Alright, we're in the town of Rising Sun. We're here at the river, and I'm going to tell you now, they take better care of their river shores than they do in my town. This might be a possible place to fish for a morning or a night fish. We're going to just scout it out. if you want to fish where there's a lot of rocks, there's plenty of opportunity right through here. Me, I don't exactly like walking on rocks that you see right here. I don't care for that. I mean, if that's the case, I'll go to Versailles State Park and fish the dam. But last year, excuse me guys, that humidity gets to me. Pretty much almost a year ago, we came here to Rising Sun and we fished for about maybe 30 minutes and it started pouring down the rain. That's where we're headed to right now. I tried to get some footage, but it looks like a guy and his little boys up here, so I'm gonna do what we can.
No, I know why it is.
Yeah, I think last year right about here is where we fished at. It's not a bad spot right here. We could fish right out through there. That may be tomorrow morning or even some evening before we get off vacation. I think I'm fogging up. Now I remember we went to the river's edge on my last video. Although this has a lot of rocks, a lot of tree, but do you really see pop bottles, beer bottles, a pill bottle? Do you see garbage here? No, you don't. Because town of Rising Sun actually cares. Unlike my town. And it saddens me to say that, because I just seen, I think I found a perfect spot to fish. I'll show you guys in just a second. It saddens me to say this stuff because I love my town, but seriously, now town of Rising Sun is, if you ever in southeastern Indiana, you ever want to come to Rising Sun, definitely do so. It is like Mayberry, USA. It is absolutely spectacular. It's beautiful and it's clean. I haven't seen, well, I see maybe a little, nope, that's not even trash. That's a rock. I haven't even seen one pop can. Right here will be a great little spot. Right in here. I'll be daggone. Well, you can tell some people's been here night fishing. There's been spots where they build a fire. But you don't see the trash. You see the debris of logs, you see the rocks, but do you see the trash? No, you don't. Oh, shoot. Actually, they do have a ramp. It would definitely be walking the ramp down if we take the wagon, which is good. I'll show you guys a little bit of the ramp going back up. Here's some ducks. Hi, little guy. How you doing? Hey, how you doing? You're a good kitty. Yeah, you is. How you doing? My daughter would love to take you home. Oh. Okay, I gotta go, kitty. You have a good one now. Be safe. Stay away from that road. All right? Oh, it feels good to get back to an air-conditioned car. But that will be a morning fish, possibly tomorrow morning. And maybe one day a night fish. Whew. Well guys, that will conclude today's video. We started very early this morning, took a break midday, and came out here and spotted a spot to fish. Now, like I said, we fished here pretty much exactly 1 year ago with our cousins, Missy and Sam, and a rainstorm came up, and we decided instead of coming back here the next morning, we went to mark one down. You go back a year ago in my videos, you see all that, but you won't see it here. At least I don't think you will. You might. I don't know if I got any footage before the rain came or not. Alright guys, we'll catch you next time on our next vacation adventure. Which it looks like it's a lot of fishing. Yeah. Come on, let's get out of here.